Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia and I'm going to show you guys how to get this makeup look. And don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video. Before I start applying makeup, I like to go on my Danessa Myricks primer. So I did do my brows off camera because they take me so long, but if you would like a brow tutorial, definitely comment below. I like a really bold brow, so I do go in and clean up my brows with some contour underneath and a little bit at the top, just to give it some shape. Since we are doing eyeshadow, I like to go over my eyelids with some concealer just to like prime them. After I do my brows, I go in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever color corrector, and I put this under my eyes and a little bit on my forehead because my forehead, y'all, has been breaking out like crazy. I don't know what it is, and I've been trying to figure it out, but now I have like hyperpigmentation in those areas, and it's just like, what is going on? I really just started using color corrector, but if you guys know one that's better, definitely let me know in the comments. After I blend it out with the beauty blender, I go in and set those areas as well that I applied the color corrector, as well as my eyelids, because I put concealer there, and prep it for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation from NARS. I love this foundation. This is an OG for real. I need to get another bottle because y'all know foundation expires, and so after a while it's just like you could definitely tell, so it's time to re-up. And I know it looks light on my face right now, but once everything comes together, you will see it'll be blended perfectly. Well, I only apply my foundation on like the lower part of my face and a little bit on my forehead, since we will be adding like concealer and bronzer and stuff like that. There's no need for foundation in those areas. So today I'm going to use my Natasha Denona's concealer. I love this concealer, y'all. It's like a full coverage concealer, and when I say full coverage, I mean it. So if you don't have it, definitely grab it. To blend out my concealer, I go in with my House Labs concealer brush. Like, if you know, you know, this brush is so tea. It just blends out my concealer perfectly. Not only, of course, it's the technique, but it's also the brush you use. And this brush, yeah, chef's kiss. So I like to apply my concealer a little differently. I like to start at the bottom or like at the ends of where the concealer is placed and then work my way up towards the inner corner of my eye. I feel like this makes a big difference, and it blends out seamlessly to me. And then I will go in with the beauty blender just a little bit, and tap those edges, which you will see.
About 3 months ago, the pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say you miss before they mention my name.
Then I will go in with my Say bronzer. If you know, you know this is my staple. I love me some bronzer. In every videos I rave about this exact bronzer. So I've also been trying a new technique with bronzer. I didn't show it in this video, but the next video I would definitely put y'all on. After I apply my bronzer, I go in with my Rare Beauty blush, and I think this is in the shade Happy, and I apply it on the high points of my cheekbones. I also like to bring some of the blush color underneath my brows, or like that brow bone. I feel like it ties everything so seamlessly, and it just gives you that glow and that color to bring back to your face. Before we bake, I'm going to go ahead and set those places there. I apply my concealer with the Kosas brightening powder. I just got it during the Sephora sale, and I wanted to try it out just to bring a little more brightness under my eyes and those areas that I applied the concealer. Next, to bake, I go in with the OG Laura Mercier's translucent powder. I flip back and forth between this one and the One Size Honey powder. It's not translucent, I think it's called Honey. Just to figure out like which one do I like best and which one I will like use depending on the setting or the vibe. But I always tend to grab this one. The eyeshadow, I am going to use Makeup by Mario's palette. Y'all, this palette, all my neutral girly step to the front. I didn't really used to be like an eyeshadow girly, but when you have the right palettes, I feel like I just gotta do eyeshadow all the time now. And I really been gravitating towards this one color on this palette. I like all the other colors, but it's this like burnt orange, burnt brown color. It looks so good on the eyes. Now, I also like to take some of the eyeshadow that I use and put it where my waterline is at, as well as with some eyeliner. Very tea. Next, I'm going to go in with my NARS powder bronzer. This is another product that I like rave about. It is a Sephora Micro Smooth Foundation Setting Powder or something like that. It's very long. But this gives away, like, not only sets your foundation, but it gets rid of those harsh lines. So where I baked a little bit, or I will get rid of those. And also some of those places where it's a little too light, like around my mouth, I will go in with that powder just to bring back some color. So lastly, I go in with the Tall's Blush Duo to bring back that color from that cream blush that we applied earlier. Child, how did I forget the highlight? We can't forget the highlighter, okay? So I'm using the Rare Beauties highlighter, I believe. I don't remember the name of it right now. But I applied those on like the high points of my cheekbones and a little bit under my brows, like that brow bone as well. And this is the finished look. I hope you girls enjoyed this look as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you girls soon. Bye.